It is proven that early career service engagement improves your long-term career success as well as both your personal and professional well-being. And in our ever-changing complex world, it's more important than ever before to access the best possible information and advice to secure the best possible future. But we also recognise that attending our sessions may be challenging due to timetable clashes, other responsibilities taking priority, or even some workshops being inaccessible if you are off campus. To combat this, we're committed to making our central career sessions available on demand, giving you flexibility on how and when you engage with us. Over 8,000 students viewed our CareerFlix content last year, giving them support anytime from anywhere. With this approach to access to our sessions, we believe we have a modern setup that meets the needs you have. Now, to access CareerFlix content, just visit Careers Online and click the e-learning tab at the top of the page. Here you can look at our session slides or watch recordings of our sessions. And remember, our slides are periodically updated throughout the year, giving you the latest and best possible careers information whenever you need it.